I just want to give a little quick update on the Mustang. The front's all disassembled. There's a little finishing body work to do here and there. Door jambs are all done, so doors are remounted. Windows are retinted now. Roof's all sanded down. Back window is reinstalled and tinted. I finally got around to this quarter panel, which was a disaster, but it's almost there. Should be priming it probably next week, so it'll be one even color finally. A lot of work. It's January, so that's why we're inside. And I've also started building a spray booth, so I can keep the garage from turning blue. Nothing fancy, just fairing strips and plastic sheets, but it's collapsible. The two sides stand on their own, and the front and back 8-foot square panels that I just hold on with clamps. So I can actually drive the car in and out. But it will have vents in the front intake, well, in the back actually. Filtered intakes, and in the back at the bottom I'll have a 2-foot box fan filtered, circulate the air, try to get some of those fumes out. And that's 21 by 12 and 8 feet high. So I'll have 3 feet all around the car, front and back, to spray it. And I think that's about it. All right, I'm out.